high-level architecture definition. As I said, every SOC needs some kind of CPU to begin with. And are you using an ARM CPU? People are talking about RISC-V nowadays, or an x86 type of a CPU. There used to be another CPU called PowerPC also. Then what are the other modules you need inside the SOC? You need some DSP blocks, or you need some GPU or AI accelerator. So these are some common examples. And then you see how much memory, on-chip memory you need for your cache requirements, storing the data while you're doing the processing. And it can be some SRAM, single port SRAM, or dual port SRAM, various kinds of memories you can use. And then the peripherals, what kind of interfaces you chip will be talking to, like UART, SPI, I2C, and GPIOs. GPIOs stand for general purpose IOs to get the data in and out. And then you also, every SOC needs some kind of high-speed interfaces based on the application, as I mentioned. See, every SOC nowadays, every device you use talks to, has an USB interface, whether for storing data, getting the data in and out, or even for charging. Now we're using Type-C USB port for charging your smartphones. Then you, based on the application, you need HDMI interface, PCIe interface. So there are various kinds of high-speed interfaces your SOC might need. Then we are talked about power management, whether the SOC gets into an idle mode or a low power mode when it's not processing, or whether there are any modules in the SOC, whether you want to kind of put them in a sleep mode or shutdown mode to optimize the power. So those decisions you have to make at the architecture definition level.